Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super easy DIY surface cleaner. Making your own surface cleaner only requires a few ingredients. You can do it quickly, easily, and the benefit of making your own product is you know all of the ingredients that are going into it. Today I'm going to be making a 100% natural surface cleaner that contains only 3 ingredients. Those ingredients are distilled water, organic alcohol, and lemon essential oil. You can use essential oil or fragrance oil in your cleaner product if you'd like to make a scented product. And I suggest using 1 to 2% fragrance oil or essential oil as a part of your total formula. You definitely want to use at least 60% alcohol in your formula, but honestly, the more the better. Alcohol is effective at killing germs, and it will help reduce germs, viruses, and other nasties on your surfaces. So, we just need to combine these ingredients, shake them up, and put them into the bottle to create our finished product. You'll need a scale, a glass pitcher or Pyrex container, and the 3 ingredients that I mentioned. So, I've already put my distilled water into the pitcher, and I know exactly how much I have. I'm going to be using 75% alcohol in my total formula today. I'm using the organic sugarcane alcohol from the Wood & Wick Co. That is a 190 proof ethanol alcohol. Ethanol has shown to be particularly powerful at killing viruses on surfaces. And then for my fragrance, I'm going to be using a California lemon essential oil from the Wood & Wick Co. This is a beautiful, juicy, fruity lemon essential oil. Smells really fresh and clean. And lemon is also effective at killing viruses and germs, so you get a double whammy with your alcohol and your essential oil. Now, all that's left to do is mix these ingredients together. Mix them for 1 to 2 minutes so that they fully combine. Once all your ingredients are fully mixed, you can simply pour them into your spray or trigger spray bottle. Pour slowly and carefully. Beautiful. Now you can simply screw your top on, and it's ready to use. Bye-bye, germs. You'll see a lot of suggestions online to use vinegar in a DIY surface cleaner. However, I chose not to use vinegar in my formula because it has a high pH and it's quite acidic. So what that means is it can be a little bit rough on stone surfaces like marble and granite. This is a gentle yet effective formula that is safe on most surfaces. So again, all you need, alcohol, distilled water, and essential oil or fragrance oil, and you are well on your way to creating your own DIY surface cleaner. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Happy making!